Good afternoon and welcome to Silver Gold Integrated Farms. Today we'll be teaching you how you can help your bird when they swallow thread. You know, feed they come in bags and the bags are sealed with thread. Though you will instruct your workers not to drop the thread inside the poultry pen, but by the end of the day, mistakenly, you still get to see them inside the pen. And the birds, they will swallow it, and maybe along the line it will hook on their throat, and by then they will not be able to eat, they will not be able to feed. Some people will call the bird, but that's not the way. I'll show you the way to help your bird when such needs arise. Just as you can see this bird, this is filled with food, the crop is filled with food and it cannot even drink. Then considering both the thread also that it has swallowed, take a look at it, it's a very long one, it has swallowed. So the bird is not comfortable now, but we'll have to remove the thread. If you try to drag the thread, it will not come out, it has hooked, as you can see. But you have to make the bird to feel at ease. Just take a look. The thread has ceased, but now massage the birds, especially the throat area. Then take a look at where the thread hooked. As you can see, it moved a bit further. Then you will continue doing it. This is how you do it. You get to the end of the thread. Remember, you shouldn't pull it with force. When you pull it with force, the bird will get injured because the thread must have tied several parts of the esophagus and so on. Okay. So you continue, as you can see. Then after that, you keep pulling till the bird vomits the whole of the thread. So the birds remove the whole of the thread. If it's not coming out, you can insert your hand inside the throat and try to sensitize it to bring out more. As you can see, this is what you will do. Yes, at Silver Gold Integrated Farms, we take care of our pets, animals, livestock, and both in livestock and in crop sector. We also farm cucumber. This bird started swallowing this thing from this place. Okay, look at it. All this has entered the throat. Just relax. You'll be fine. Relax, you'll be fine. So it's not an easy task, just as you can see. It's not an easy task. Imagine, this is what these birds swallowed from this point on the thread, from this point down to this place is what this chicken has swallowed. So if you like our videos, give us thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll give you similar videos and other videos that relate to taking care of your bird. Bye for now. It's Silver Gold Integrated Farms. Bye.